Hey, welcome to the video. In this specific video, I will show how to create a measure to calculate the previous month's sale and how to define a function to calculate the percentage change in sales from previous year. So if you want to present your data in such a way that you need to compare between the previous month's sale and current month sale, then how we can do that, how we can present the data and how to create a such measure that it will give the previous month sale in current context of the month. So let's get practically see by defining the formula and showing in matrix. First, in my data model, I have one measure that is already created, that is calculate the total sale of the store. Okay, this is simple measure that will be created by using SUMX function, and it will multiply quantity and price and overall sum it off in a measure. So here I will get one visual that is matrix, and I will in row I will give my date over here, and I'll remove the day and quarter. Let's to simplify the things, and I will expand all the level. Okay, then I will increase the size little bit. Let's increase the size of this so that it is visible. Then what I will do, in values I will give my total sales. So it gives the total sale of each month in a separate row. That context is executed. That measure is executed in each row of the month, and it will give the separate month sales in each row. So here I will give that row subtotal in a bottom so that it looks nice to see. Yeah. So here what I need is in the current context, like in February, I need a previous month sale, that is Jan sale, and in March I need a February month sale. So how I can define the measure in such a way that it will give the previous month sale. So let's get start building the measure. So right click over here and new measure. Just name your measure, like I want to name like 04, let's say. So previous month sale is equal to, I will use calculate. So calculate, if you want to modify any context, you can use calculate. It can easily modify your context in your defined way. So expression, you have to write one formula over here. I already have my total sales, and I will use that measure over here inside that calculate. And in a filter, I will use one filter that is using a function previous month. And in previous month, I will give the date that is from my calendar table. If I give and if I execute this, one measure will be created. What this measure will do, let's see in a visual. We'll insert that measure in our visual. Let's see what it will give as a result. Yeah, it will give the previous month sale. Like in February, it's giving the sale of Jan. Why? Because we defined our formula in such a way that it will calculate the total sale by applying the filter of previous month. This previous month will give the dates of the previous month in a current context. When that measure is executed in a February month context, it will give the date of Jan. So data will be filtered for Jan. So it will giving the total sale of Jan. Like in March, it will give the total sale of Feb. So this is how you can define your formula to get the previous month sale. And next thing I want to do is how to define a function to calculate the percentage change in a sale from previous month. So here I need some more extra calculation. I want to calculate what is the difference between this and this, like compared to second year, what is the percentage change from the first year, what is the change, what percentage change in a sales happened compared to the previous month. So for this I need to define one measure. We can call it as I want to define one function, let's say. So how I can do that, like percentage change, I will use naming as percentage change in sales. Okay, percentage change in sales is equal to, what I will do, I want to calculate. Here also I want to calculate. What I want to calculate, first I will define that I want to calculate the previous month sale. So what I will do, I will define as variable like previous month sale is equal to, I will use the same logic which I used for the previous calculation. That is, I want to calculate, okay, I want to calculate total sales of previous month. So date context will be date from calendar table. So one calculation is done, and the next one I want to create a one more sales variable. Let's see, sales, sorry, I need to close this function. Then what I want to do, I want to create one more variable inside this variable, sales of current month is equal to, that is my total sale. Simple. So that is my total sale. That's my total sale. Now I have 2 months sales. Previous month sale I have and current month I have. So if I want to get, okay, if I want to get a percentage difference between these two compared to the previous month, what I can do? It's simple, that I will define one more variable, that is percentage change, let's say, okay, percent change is equal to, I want to calculate the percentage change between these two. How I can do that? So I want to calculate like the current month sales, that is current month sale minus previous month sale, okay, previous sale, and if I divide it, it will give the difference from the current month and previous month. If I divide that by previous month sale, then I will get the percentage difference. What is the percentage of difference I have compared to the previous month? Then if I execute this formula, so as it is one function, so we need to write one return statement over here. So I want to return that percent change I will return in this function. Right click. So my function is created over here, and I will use this function in my matrix. Okay, what it will give, let's see. Here I can see that from Jan to Feb, I can see from Jan to Feb, I can see the decrease in sale. That's why it's writing as 0.64%. So if I want to show it in a percentage manner, what I can do, into 100, okay, into 100. Here I can see that 64% decrease, okay, 64%. Or what I can do here, let's see, yeah, here I can see that 64.8% decrease in the sale compared to Jan month. So sales has been decreased. That's what's showing over here. And compared to Feb to March, there is a huge increase in the sale. That is 448%. Compared to this month, it has increased 444. That means 4 times of this month, Feb month. March is 4 times of Feb month sale. Likewise, from March to April, it is decreased by 63%, and April to May, it is increased to 41%. So this is how we can simply define our function inside DAX. So it's very simple, that we defined as a variable that previous month sale, and it calculates the previous month sale, and one more function calculation we defined over here, that is sale, that calculates the sales of the current month, and it calculates the percentage change by simply dividing the percentage change, dividing the difference between the current month and previous month sale and compare it with the previous month sale. So this is how it will give return the percentage change in the sale. So this is simple way to calculate the both previous month sale and percentage change in the sale. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.